My name is Idris Demir and today we have another unboxing video. To start, here is the front of the box with the Canon logo. Next, we can see the picture of the lens. And we have here the Canon RF 24-105 f4L IS USM lens. Flipping once again, we can see the box contents, which is the lens case, and lens hood. Up top, you can see some barcodes and also the price. And if you're curious, there's nothing at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and open this box. First, we have the warranty card. Here it is also written in Arabic since I bought the lens from this region. Hopefully you can see the details here. Next, we have the lens case. Let's open it from this plastic. So here is the case, and at the bottom part we can see the model LP1319 on this black leather, I think, and we can also see a Canon tag right here. Pulling up the case, it is more like a soft drawstring pouch in this nice gray color. I also like its texture. So let's put this back and here on the side. Next, we have the Canon interchangeable lens instructions, and as usual in different languages. So I tried opening it to see how big this paper is. And here we can see the manual for the RF lens. I'll read this one later, so let's put it back. Now, let's remove this subdivider. We will also remove this white styrofoam. Here is the lens hood. Let's remove it from the plastic. This is lens hood model EW-83N. It comes in black color, and we can also see some small text and red dots around it. Finally, we have the lens right here. But let's put this second styrofoam back inside. Close the box and put it here in the corner. Going back to the lens, let's remove this plastic to have our first look. So here's the lens with the 24-105 text in the middle. Hopefully from this shot you can get an idea of its size. So going around the lens, you can see a lock switch, focusing distance, grayed out serial number. We have a stabilizer switch and focusing mode. can also see the focusing ring and the control ring up top. Let's try the zoom ring until 105 to see the lens extended. Now let's remove the rear lens cap. We can see the connecting pins, and hopefully you catch that black rubber gasket for weather sealing. So it's quite difficult the first time putting back the rear lens cap, as you have to align it properly to close it. Up front, let's remove the lens cap, and here's the front glass, and here's how it looks extended. So overall, this lens definitely feels premium with regards to its weight, size, and build quality. I'll use this lens as my main lens and share my experience over time. As always, thank you so much for spending the time watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. And the lens is rolling. It doesn't stay. So let's put it like this. Actually, no. Let's try one more time. Nope, it's still rolling. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.